Alright guys, here is the location of the query loss sector. For the loadout I am using the grenade launcher from this season, the ignition code. With the blinding grenades, that's very important for this one. But if you don't have the blinding grenades, it will still be fine. For the scout rifle I am using the Vault of Glass scout rifle with the dragonfly, and I am using anarchy as the heavy. For the artifact mod, I will highly suggest two mods. One is Unstoppable Grenade Launcher. With this mod, you can stun enemies with Anarchy and the Ignition Code. Both of them can stun the champions. And another is Breach and Clear. With this one, whenever you are stunning the champions or tagging them with the Anarchy, you will get a buff that will increase your damage. Any kind of weapon damage will be increased. It takes 9 slots in the class item. I am using 2 grenade launcher ammo finder and 2 grenade launcher ammo scavenger on my armor. Concussive dampener also helps to tackle with the enemy fire. Here are the mods you can see. The unstoppable grenade launcher takes 7 slots, but it's still worth it. And the unstoppable grenade launcher and the breach and clear also works together very nicely. I am using the high energy fire with the taking charge. In case I pick up the orbs, I will be charged with light, and with that I can deal damage to the champions and the enemies. Another thing I am using here is the Dusk Field Grenade. Whenever you are stunning the champions, specific the anti-barrier champions, if you throw the Dusk Field Grenade at them, they will be frozen and they will not be able to regen. So it really helps to clear the champions. The loadout I am using, you can use it with any character. On Warlock you have your Healing Rift, and on Titan you have your Barricade. Instead that I am using here the War Mask, but you don't need it on Titan and Warlock. But the other loadout you can easily use it with the other characters. The activity is 1340, but currently I am at 1322. If your light level is much higher, it would be much easier for you to clear the lost sector. Alright, in the beginning there will be 2 legionaries and 1 sniper and 1 champion. Since my grenade launcher has the blinding grenade, that's why I'm using it to clear the ads also. There is an anti-barrier champion here. You can kill him first, or you can kill the ads first, then go for the champion. The breach and clear mods is extremely helpful to clear the lost sector even if you are under 1320. The next room is the boss room. Before going further into the boss room, there will be 3 scions. Kill the scions first, then hold your crouch button, don't stand up, and go to the left rock. Here you can see. The reason I'm telling to hold crouch and not walk, because whenever you walk, the boss will always be alert of your presence and he will try to shoot you. It will be much difficult to clear the champions if the boss is shooting you. So for that, I first clear 2 champions, 2 anti-barrier champions on the top, then I go for the boss. After killing the first champion, another anti-barrier champion will spawn there. Kill it also. After killing both the anti-barrier champions, 2 unstoppable champions will spawn, and you have to go to the higher ground to get the boss and the champions easily. The boss will have solar shield, so use something solar to break the shields easily. Here I am using the blinding grenades, because with the blinding grenades I can blind the boss and I can destroy its shield easily. I am currently at 1322 and it took me around 6 minutes and 52 seconds to clear this 1340 lost sector. If you have the higher light level, it will be much easier for you. Thank you for watching.